What's up, everybody? We got the car backed in today for good reason. I always pull in, but today we are going to be pre-installing something or test fitting the coolest front lip there is for the M4 and M3. Let's check it out. It's so sunny and beautiful outside. Holy shit, it's fucking hot. But we got a box, a big box, all the way from Japan. And some of you guys could probably guess what it is. If you follow me on Instagram, you know exactly what this is. But we got the ultimate front lip for the F80X, M3, and M4 if you aren't going wide body. And honestly, I think this is the best lip there is out there. If you guys can see, we got the Laptorr Japan front lip. And it comes in 3 pieces. Holy crap, look at this. So we got the center lip, and we got the 2 side pieces right here, all in fiberglass. I decided to go all fiberglass instead of the carbon fiber version because the carbon fiber version was an extra 4-month wait to get them. So my game plan is to color match this in secure orange, this too, but then once the paint dries, I'm gonna let it sit for a while. I will wrap the lower end in carbon fiber just to match all the other carbon fiber stuff. So we're gonna be having fake carbon fiber, boys. And this also came in at a pretty good time. I probably ran the front lip that I have on right now for, what, 4 months now? But the other day, last week, I ran into something on the highway. If you guys can see, there's that gash right there, both on the carbon fiber and on the car. So this is gonna come off. There was a pot in the middle of the road. I tried to swerve out of the way and thankfully just hit that small section right there. But the Laptorr pieces will go ahead and cover that. And then this lip's gonna be removed. And if you guys actually watch my build, you know I damaged this lip the first day I got it, and now it's totally wrecked. Underneath. On the top, it looks pretty good, but I will probably give this lip away to somebody here locally. So if you guys want it, comment down below and maybe we can ship it if you guys pay for shipping too. We'll jack it up, we'll remove the lip, and then I'm gonna test fit the Laptorr lip and show you guys what it looks like. I already have it scheduled in for paint from one of my boys. Probably gonna go in this week or the next weekend. So it'll be a while, so I'm gonna have to drive the car without a lip for just a little bit, which I don't care. But super excited to get this on, guys.
Like an hour long lunch. She said that it's too much. I think Stephanie doesn't. Because she said that she already had her last.
She knows about it, why not just send it? But you just said
I told her, she has to go out the way.
Guys, this is how you guys know that the 3M 30-pound tape works, because oh, this thing's a fucking bitch to get out. Look at all the rocks I collected. Look, there was holes in it.
What the fuck? How much was it? Being a pussy. Own up to it.
It was only about 500.
Got it!
When did you buy this new one? When did we talk about this?
We didn't. I ordered it. Hey! Hey! It's over. It's done. All right, guys. We got the fucking lip removed. Check out how it looks. Dude, it's hella busted. You guys see all the rocks inside? So if you guys follow my channel, when I first got it, I dropped it and I left my drill underneath, which had a small crack. Holy crap, look at that. It's already splicing all the way down. Hella scratches, hella rocks inside, and then the back's breaking off too. So it's time to retire this lip. If you guys want it, comment And maybe I'll give it to you guys. But what we're gonna do first, so I went ahead and cut off these flaps that were in the front of the car because I thought they needed to be removed, but it turns out I think you gotta have to remove it all the way completely anyways. So, a couple 8mm, we took off both sides. What I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna go ahead and just tape some contact points on the bumper so that it doesn't scratch the paint. But you know, I'm not that big of a stickler on it either. Let's just put that there. Just a couple contact points. I know it sits there. Again, guys, don't do what I do. Professionals, I know that they end up just taping off a bunch of the areas that it's gonna contact. We're not gonna do that. So, what we'll do first, we have this first piece right here of the Laptorr lip, and we're gonna go ahead and tape it on. Again, don't do what I do, guys, because I'm pretty sure a lot of people are cringing right now at the way I'm test fitting the lip on my car. Oh, see, it's not even perfect. Fuck. There you go. Gotta get the bottoms lined up perfect way. Okay, we'll leave it like that. Ooh. How's that look? Yo, that looks pretty crazy already. Alright, final piece. How's that look, man? Pretty crazy? Alright guys, we got it on. I ended up trying to mount it up first by using the painter's tape, but I realized that some of the mounts underneath mount to the OEM holes underneath the car. So right now it's sitting on there pretty tight. I'm gonna drop the car and we're gonna see how it looks on the ground, but this is the Laptorr lip. Show them it before it got dropped on the ground. Ooh. So look at this. I like how the side fins make it a little bit wider on both ends. And then you get this little canard right here too. But it's so much different from all the other lips that are offered out right now. It's a pretty penny, but I think it's gonna be worth it. All right, we're gonna drop it right now. Look at that. What do you think, babe? Worth the money?
Not at all.
Holy crap. How's it look from the side profile? That thing looks sick. So again, what I plan on doing is I'm gonna paint match the two side pieces secure orange. This center piece is probably gonna be painted secure, well, the whole thing is gonna be painted in secure orange. And what I'm gonna do is this indent right here, everything around this indent will be wrapped in carbon fiber. I really wanted the carbon fiber version, but I didn't want to wait the 4 months for it. Pretty much from here, all of this will be carbon fiber. God damn, guys, I can't get over the aggressiveness of the front end now. Holy crap, that Laptorr lip's crazy. And that's probably pretty much gonna wrap up the rest of the video today. Look at this. Oh, if you guys can see that, the lip is busted. From the top, you can't really see it too much, so I think if somebody wants to fit it on for a while, they can't afford to buy a lip, they can have it. I posted it up locally for free. We'll see if anybody wants to come grab it. But thank you everybody for watching my channel. There is a lot more to this channel coming. I honestly want to build one of the craziest, best looking stock body M4s there is. You know, the G82 has been growing on me. I can't really afford that. I'm in love with the F82, so I'm gonna make it exactly how I want it. And hopefully my wife doesn't know how much money I actually spend. But if you guys feel me, if you guys feel my pain and know the struggle, please smash the like button and leave a comment if you guys want to see me do anything else to the car. But thank you again for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.